tell you if we're going to crash.
So this weekend, it's August. The weather wasn't looking fabulous, but it was going to be good for at least one night, so we packed enough food for one night, maybe a little bit of spare, and then headed out across the bay to Adele Island.
So check this out, we're about 2 hours out of Nelson and maybe an hour to go till we get to Adele Island. Kim's just making lunch down below and the sea's really flat, like this. Well, there's no wind, the sea's glassy, but there are these, here we go, little swells coming in from the southeaster that's blowing over in Cook Strait. Cool. There's Adele Island on the right and Fisherman Island, the little one on the left.
Don't get me picking out on ships.
Thanks.
That's not a good look.
So after we'd been past Fisherman Island, we went over to Apple Tree Bay, where it was really still, and just dropped the anchor to do some exploring.
Kim, what happened to your clothes?
I fell in the water.
You fell in.
I did.
How did you do that?
I was trying to climb out of the boat and a wave took me.
Who would have thought?
Who would have thought? It's fairly predictable though.
We anchored for the night at Adele Island and had a really nice evening there, and then got up early in the morning and headed up the coast to explore some of the other little bays. River's a really nice spot. There's a little beach there. It's not so great when it's windy because you're kind of exposed to the sea breeze, but we anchored there early off the beach and then took the little dinghy up the river, and it's really neat. You go up this windy, still little river to where the suspension bridge goes over the river as part of the Abel Tasman track. And if you're really lucky, there'll be little seals playing around up there. It's a beautiful spot.
don't think we can go any further. Kedgeree for lunch.
Yeah.
It's amazing how this is all worn away. Like the last time we were here, this whole sand spit was covered in gorse. And now you can see where it's almost all washed away.
It was so nice that we thought, while we're over here we'll have to stay another night. So we scrounged around to see what food we had with us, and then in the end thought, we'll go and get some mussels off the rocks. So at Adele Island there's a little rocky bit round the corner from where we anchor that has really nice mussels. So we went round and grabbed some of those and made mussel fritters for dinner, which were really good. And then on Sunday morning, it had been really nice. We'd had 2 nights over there, but we headed back, and not much wind, but again it was lovely just that time of year, cruising across the bay, watching the seabirds, and heading back to Nelson.
Really cool clouds around. See these little ones right out on the horizon.